ass right now.
Where? Which one?
The one on the very end of the yellow shirt.
Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Like she's a choke chain.
Yeah. I'm watching. Oh my God, they are a group. I'll do this. Oh, this is the test. Yes, this is the test. They can't handle this.
These dogs are just looking.
So one of the ends gonna go fucking freaky. Yes. But that one's like starving. You can like see its bones, and these people are not good to their animals.
Oh. That dog just got taken out.
Yeah, dude.
Oh God. Did she just like swing her dog around? She didn't realize it? Did she honestly just do that?
Look at this one go. Oh my God. Holy